Are we good, team? Are we good? Are we good? Fine. Ooh. Perfect. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I think that thing ran out of battery, bro. I don't know. Forgive me on that. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. We're just getting started. It's a new day, brand new day, guys. The markets are looking good. The markets are looking fine. I just want us to see exactly what we have going on, right? We can't be wasting any more time. The sound played with us, but today is a good day, guys. I can't really complain on my side. Everything is moving well. I've been looking at the markets. Obviously, I just opened my laptop screen now, but just to quickly maybe give you guys a quick inspire, right? From these sessions that we're doing every single day, bro, every single day. I just want to show you what those sessions are able to do, bro, so that you don't take take them for granted, right? So just take a look here, bro. You can see here, there's an email just today, literally, see, 2 hours ago. Champion trader, on the futures. This is the exact same account that I'm trading every day with you guys, like this. You've earned distinction providing performance reward from your account and all that. So basically we able to pull through a withdrawal, right? Like a full through withdrawal, right? So I'm just showing you in terms of, this is all the trades that I'm obviously taking from these sessions every single day, so transparency behind it. But at the same time, obviously, I'm not even saying it in terms of like you should follow my trades like signals and things like that. It's just showing you that like discipline, also risk management, because those things play a part. Like, it's not just setups and trades that we take every single day. It's the thought process behind it. Those things play a part. Everything else, afterwards, yes, it does matter. All those things, they matter, but most of the important things, they play a part, you understand? So yeah, man, I hope you guys are doing well. Let's just are you guys positive for the day? Let's see, are you guys positive for the day? Nice. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's do this, team. Perfect. I like this, bro. I like seeing members that have been here since previous sessions, since yesterday's, and all those things. So yeah, man, let's just take it easy, obviously, with a nice, calm, humble mindset, so that we don't think everything always just turns out, the exact same way. So it's a brand new day. Obviously, you have to treat it the exact same way. So just by looking at the dollar index here at the daily, sorry, I can already see that we have tested somewhere around this area right here, and since we've tested it, you see here with these candles, then price started now slightly going upwards. So two ways. Either way, still when I come take out these lows, which means that we will continue going down maybe till somewhere around these levels, or still continue going down till somewhere around here, or price will slowly just continuously maybe move upwards till somewhere at the highs, right? But before we do a deep mistake, the first thing that I need to do is check out the news. Today I can see right now, this is where we are. Let me just refresh it to make sure that we are set. Tuesday, July 7th, you can see USD, not really high impactful news. You can see very low, mild news. And yeah, nothing much. These ones already came out a few minutes ago. And basically, let's just see. This one here will be, okay, it's in tentative. So basically it's there's no specific time frame whereby they want to be coming out. And then this one here, 10:30. Yeah, this is way too late. I don't think this really, matters, because it's going to be way too late, like 10:30. I don't think there would be anyone that would still be trading 10:30, because anyways, like if you day trading like intraday, at that time there's not really much volume, so it doesn't really make sense to be looking for trades at that time. So looking at this, let's just see which one is a bit more valuable. can see employment change, I can see trade balance, FOMC, this guy spoke. So here with this ADP employment change, it's not really heavy. Previously, you can see we had this 30 actual, it came back down to 24.3. I just wanted to see what the forecast was here, but there's no forecast as well, so it's hard to see, if we're going up or if we're going down type of a thing. But yeah, man, actual greater than focus is good for currency. You can see actual greater than focus. There's no focus here already, but I can see it is less than actual, which it is less than actually is less than previous, which means that it's not good for currency from what I'm seeing. Even here is less. I don't know. So let's see if maybe technicals can say something more similar. Let's go, bro. Thank you, bro. I just got gifted 39.40. Thank you so much, bro. Highly appreciate, bro. Thank you. Thanks, YDK. Young Dope King. Nice one, bro. Let's go. Now we can see we had this very big push to the down, and then we had this retracement, right? So within this retracement right here that we're experiencing, we also had this area that got tested here, which is a previous lower high, and same thing here. This one here created a new lower high structure here. This is on the 60-minute, which means that if this thing is still continuing going down, we need to see it maintaining sort of like a downward motion type of a thing. So if it is going upwards right now, the only maximum area that it can go to is somewhere here, and once it gets here, that's where it needs to start aiming for those lows. Okay. Let's go, team. So yeah, man, currently what I'm seeing so far with everything, it is looking clean, it is looking nice. I can't really complain. Make sure that we're recording this session, but yeah, it's looking nice, bro. Can't complain. For it to go up, I don't know, man. I don't really see it going high. Obviously right now it might go high from here where it is, just short term, 1 hour, 2 hours, till somewhere here at the top, and then come back to take out these lows. So yeah, maybe in the next 1 hour, 2 hours, this could be going up. If it's going up, that means the dollar, we could be going down, right? Otherwise, if it's just going to continue and respect this area and just respect here, go down, it means that dollar could just, gold could as well just slightly push more upwards and things like that. So let me just clean this up because now it's getting messy for me. I'm just going to target around these areas here of resistance just to see exactly, it makes sense for you to understand what the dollar is doing. Because if you're just going to try to look at, because I know some people when they enter the markets, the first thing they're doing is, I'm looking for a trade, let me see. They go on this setup. If it doesn't give them a trade, they go on the next and the next, and then up until they see something that they want to see, and then they're like, okay, perfect, I'm ready to trade, But sometimes following through with something, looking at it, sitting down, going back and forth, waiting for it, it helps you, because even when you enter with confidence. So right here I can see with this one here, already these are those areas that we spoke about here. So there's a high chance that price could come and respect them and then go back down. So we could see a push up and then a push down. Otherwise, if not, price could just easily push down from here. Let's just see. So within this areas, obviously there should be a 5-minute candle. Somewhere around here, you see, that would allow us to be able to spot that nice clean sell side. Somewhere here. Then we know if price happens to get there, This is me being more aggressive, like trying to see it more in the 5 minutes. Currently you can see we're still in between this range right here. Currently the market is in between here, this back and forth, even here where it is, it can still go down, and you know it's ranging, bro. Like that's what we call a ranging market. So the only time we'll see it coming here is if it happens to break above here. If it breaks above this area, that's where there's a high chance. Even if it goes down to retrace, high chance it's gonna come here, right? But if it happens to just go down, I'm not gonna look for a buy here. I'm not gonna look for a buy because I know there's a high chance of it breaking, you know. So yeah, let's just see. Gold yesterday, let's just quickly take a recap on yesterday's trade just to see. Yesterday got a nice beautiful buy here at the bottom on gold. You can see price was here. I waited for this since the session started. We were here. It played. It nearly came in. I was tempted here, but it went back up and then it went down. When it was here, as soon as I saw this nice beautiful star, I executed. I took a buy here, stop loss just below here. And yeah, man, we went up. You can see went up. I hit take profit in less than 2 minutes. 2 because this is a 1 minute candle. 2 minutes I hit take profit, right? This was gold yesterday. So afterwards you can see literally after take profit, luckily I exited, but it still went down, and then it done this, and then went down, done this, then it pushed all the way up because I was seeing it come and respect this area and then go back down. But you see it took out these highs here and then it went all the way up. So now this setup is no longer valid. Okay, and then after it pushed upwards, took out these highs here too, took out these previous highs here, you can see. So it's been taking out highs, these ones here, formed newer ones, went to the bottom, took out these lows. Imagine, bro, this thing is just taking out highs and then comes back, it takes out lows. So it's going aggressive. Comes here, took out these lows, formed more lower lows, lower highs. Let me just show you. Lower lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Here you can see this was where a change happened. Because why? Lower low, lower high, everything, you can see it, I showed you. But right here, we broke right here, and there's different reasons for a breakout, right? You can either see a head and shoulders, like an inverse head and shoulders, you see right here, you see that you could either see, like, let's say for instance they'll say a breakout here and change of character, you know, and and all those things. You understand? Like looking at the fact that this is lower high and then we broke out, we had a lower high here, we broke out of it, so it changed character. So it doesn't matter how you see it. Most people want to like justify how you explain something in terms of, oh, that's how you trade. It doesn't matter how you see it. It's just more on, if I'm trading and I'm around people that understand things this way, I can explain it in that way. But if I'm around different people that understand it, I can explain it in a different way. But at the end of the day, find out that it's the exact same thing. You understand? It's not really what I'm explaining that is what matters. What matters is, the exact same thing. Like the thing that I'm like, showing, not just explaining, but showing. Because there's a difference between the explanation and the demonstration, right? So here at the bottom I can see, but let me just look at it from a bigger perspective in terms of where exactly could we highly go. Yeah, man, I can see that we have cracked higher for the buys, higher chance that we could go high with gold, bro. We could go high and break above here. So if we're going high, we're selling. If we're going high, we're selling gold, dollar. Yeah, that's what I was seeing inside there. But for it to sell, we saw dollar must go a bit more high. If dollar goes high, once it gets high, gold is once it gets there at that high area, once it starts dropping, that's when the sell is going to happen, which means for gold it has to drop a bit, and once it drops, that's where the buyers are going to happen, and then we can buy it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I was just seeing something in the head, forgive me, bro, but that's just what I have to do in order to calculate what I'm seeing, right? But yeah, so basically what I'm saying after I've done all those analyzing is prices to eventually come here at the bottom, right? So I'm seeing price coming here at the bottom, because remember, on the dollar has to still push upwards, which means if it's going upwards, this one you're selling, right? And once it sells to those bottom, maybe this is where we can find nice clean buys. However, it's either I want to be a bit more here or I want to be aggressive, put them here. We'll just see, bro. We'll just see. But the advantage is that 1:2. Look at it already. This is how it is. And the advantage is that this would be highs that we're targeting. So this 1:2 is just like worst case scenario. You understand? It could come, like, give us a 4x. And looking at it, because I came from a 4-hour perspective, looking at it, I don't know, it depends on how bullish the markets is, but if we come and we break these highs as well, if we can hold it to break these highs, look at what it can be. 6.3. So yeah, man, it's just now having to see how it's like gonna move and do all those things, because it is also, it came from a critical area. You can see we've been eating while it was here, going back and forth. Rejected first time, second time. Price broke these lows. We came low, lower high, lower low, but now we broke these previous lower lows. If we never broke them, I'll still see sell, like maybe I saw somewhere here going down with it, you know. But the fact that we broke them, higher chance that we could go up, and there's no reason for us to still come here at the bottom unless there's still another run at the bottom. We'll see. And sometimes you see via having to take a stop loss. Like if I buy it and it breaks and goes down, obviously I'll have to take a stop loss. You understand? But if I don't buy it, let's say I doubt and I don't buy it, and it doesn't do that, like let's say it goes in my direction, I'm gonna regret it, you know. So let's see Nasdaq. I don't think really that we might see that today, because looking at how it's moving right now, it's not really giving me that action. Like it's not really moving, bro. So I don't really think that we are gonna see volume today. But let's see Nasdaq. Yesterday as well, Nasdaq was a good one, team. Let me just recap and show you real quick. Nasdaq yesterday. This is the one that got me that payout that I showed you, right? Got a nice trade here. Sold it here. Stop loss above, take profit here. 1:2 risk to reward. As soon as I entered, 1 minute, 2 minute candlestick, take profit has been hit, and then we're done. You understand? So that was yesterday though. Live on the session, by the way. Let's just see what happened afterwards. Price, we can see we obviously had this push up right here, that after price done this, it swept out these lows here, pushed up, we broke out these highs here. So we took out these highs right here, and then we went more to the bottom. So basically price wanted to sweep out these lows, all these lows, just have more power to break these highs right here, so they could respect an area maybe around the side here. And then afterwards it came back down, low, lower high, eventually broke these strong lows here, eventually broke them out, and right now I can see we've built this lower high, but we're going downwards, not too much volume. You can see, like, look at it, bro. This is what volume is, and this is what not volume is, and right now we don't really have that much volume. I can see that we are at this level right here at the bottom, which could be some sort of support and allow price to push upwards. So let me just see. Let's go, team. Let's go. Yeah, you can see right here where we are. It's tricky with Nasdaq because it can still come here at the bottom. So I don't think I'm gonna buy it right here at this level here, even though I know it might go up. And the reason is I'm seeing a gap. You know, so when seeing a gap like this here, there could be a chance that it might want to close up this gap. So because of that, I don't want to risk buying. Yes, it can go up. I know it can touch here and then go up. That's a missed opportunity, but it's not because of I doubt it. It's because of if it hits my stop loss, I would know why. It's because there was a gap. It could have wanted to close it, which means that I hoped for it not to close it. You understand? So it's better not to take it. But what I'd rather take is one here at the bottom. If it breaks below here and breaks below here too, I would take one at the bottom. It's just difficult having to spot if, like, you know, I should take it literally at the close of the gap or just underneath. Let me just see with the Fibonacci in terms of what does it say, right? In terms of the retracement that we had here. Okay, I can see that we had this 38.2. Let me take it to the swing high, from swing low to swing high, right here. From the bottom, you can see to the top. We had this deep push in. We pushed all the way down to 61.8. Now we're going a bit more high, and then we still playing that 61.8. So basically, I'm looking to buy at the very, very bottom at 88.6. 88.6. That's just, it's like, cause let's just say you could either buy here, wherever your stop loss is gonna be, or you could either buy, like, let's say where it is right now. I know other people that would buy breakouts. They buy it once it's breaking out above, you know. Someone else, I don't know, or just buy it when it gets here at support, you know. And they could be right, it can go up, hit take profit. This one you can activate them, hit take profit. This one you can still hit those on stop losses, activate this one, yeah, hit take profit. But this works for me, So that's one thing you need to understand about trading. Something has to work for you. You need to find entries where you are comfortable. So we are going to be breaking areas. Let me just see. Because I just want to see in terms of I need to be very careful as well of this move, because looking at it, you can see I also have this bigger structure here, 1 hour, whereby price might want to come in here. So if it hits my stop loss, that means that I need to understand that everything's not gonna work. It's gonna go down. Like, it's gonna take out all these stop losses here, all these stop losses here, and more likely all these stop losses here. So it will go down. And buy here. So basically I need to open up room for error, which means that I need to, when I'm taking this trade, because I understand that it might still come down here, or maybe not today, because today I don't think it's going to give that big move, like breaking, selling like big like that. I don't really think today. So because of that, I can still look out for this buy, but at the same time I just need to reduce some risk. So if that does happen, I know at least I saw it coming, and I didn't see it coming, and I still feel bad because I lost a lot. And if, let's say, it does break out to the bottom, so I need to leave out room for error. Like, let's say if it does break out and it hits my stop loss, and I'm confirming that it has broken to the bottom, I can still look for sells, right? It doesn't mean that I'm gambling. I went from buying now to selling. I don't know what I'm doing. No. Price is now confirmed sell direction. So if it maybe comes in retreats, comes at whatever area that I'd be looking at, I can take a sell and then I'll go down with it. Even if it hits my stop loss, it's okay. I'll say I'm done on Nasdaq for the day. You understand? That means that I'm not in sync with it. Like, I'm not really seeing it proper. So I just have to take it easy. I'll come back the next day. And anyway, if I lose 2 trades, it'll be more like I lost 1 trade, because I shared the risk. If you can risk $5, if you only have $5 and you want to take 1 trade and risk that $5, you only want to have opportunity to trade once. If you're going to share and risk $1, you're going to be able to have opportunity to trade 5 times. You understand? So that's just what I'm doing. I'm differentiating my risk. You see, gold is not moving. I did speak about it not moving. Imagine the whole time since the session started, it's been here, bro. This is what it was supposed to do, like give us movements like this. So this movement here happened during London. The breakout was caused by London. But since I don't trade it, obviously I'm not gonna really. And I know some people, just because maybe the breakout happened to them, next day they want to look at London, But no, man, we don't do that. Let's look at US 30. Maybe today you might see something on US 30. Your US 30 has been pushing upwards, but you can see these spikes upwards. Spike. I feel like now if you just buying US 30, you should be, going well, just like how gold back in those times was just all-time buying. Buy, low, high. So we could see price retracing a bit and then still continuing upwards. Could see price coming, testing somewhere around these areas. Let's see. You can see even if like I look at this in terms of like trend line, whatever, it shows like a third bounce here, but how I saw it initially is here at the bottom I'm seeing this beautiful candle, and this is the one that allowed us to be able to break out these highs. So we basically formed a strong low here, and here we didn't really have a big push. So I think this run here was a nice strong break to the upside. It shows a lot of buying power, commitment to the buyers, and what looks like we are gonna maybe take out these lows, take out these lows, take out these lows, maybe come here and then go up, right? Let me just see if RR is gonna make sense. I can put stop loss here. Let's see if I wanna really be aggressive with it. But maybe just to be on the safe side, I can just put it here. US30, even looking at my data, it was saying that I'm not really I didn't really trade it too much, so I'm not really too profitable trading US30, so it's not easy. Let's see. I think I'm not gonna enter it as of yet. I'm gonna wait for it to get here just to see what it's gonna do. So I'm not gonna really put like pending orders and enter it aggressively. Okay, the market is moving now. Let me see. I just wanna see in terms of, okay, what is this? Nasdaq. You see those lows that I spoke about? Just to remind you, remember what we said. Maybe I could have looked for a sell somewhere here. I don't know why I never thought of that on the 1 minute. Let's see. No, I wasn't gonna catch it. I was not gonna catch it. Let me not lie to you. I was not gonna find it. The way that I trade, I don't think it was gonna give me. But just remember those lows that we were saying and we spoke about it. Still coming to take them out. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. We're doing this, guys. We are doing this. You're witnessing this real life, bro. Let me see. What's this? Let's see what it's gonna need. Okay, I can use one. Okay, I'm not gonna execute as of yet. I want to see what it's gonna do when it gets there. Just wanted to see the lot sizes that it's gonna need. This one here also, I just wanted to catch here first because I don't really think it might hold, like, you know, I think it might hold, yes, but I think this area here below, you see this area, I think it's also, it might break below, you see here. So if it does hold, it will be more like a short-term hold, like it can just to come here and then, you know, I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. But let me see if, I don't need 7. Okay, 6. Okay, I'll look at it. Let's see. Gold, we're still playing. We're still in the same area. Look at it, bro. Hasn't moved. Nothing. Just done this back up. It's been the same area, bro. I don't know. Like, if I bought and sold gold, like, since I started this session at the same time, I was still gonna be at break even, like right now, in terms of like, cause it's not going anywhere. Okay, but anyway, if you do that, I think you'll still be at break even. But what I mean is that it didn't go anywhere. Cause look, now it's 20 minutes to 4. It's here. Look at 1 hour ago. It's here, literally in the same area. So yeah, I want it to come down. Obviously, the goal is for it to come down so I can buy it at the bottom, then go back up. Hopefully, we get to see that on the session. Let me see what the dollar index is doing. Dollar index is either we are going to respect these and then go up. Then if that is the case, we could see gold selling off. Gold, there's a chance that it could be selling off, like let's say for instance from where it is, but obviously I'm looking for that buy at the bottom because I'm seeing more of a bullish movement. So which means that it can also buy and like just break those highs, everything that I did say and see while it happened. So it's just a matter of like waiting, right? Waiting for it to show me what it's doing. Because if I say like right now it's ranging, something that's ranging, whether you say it's gonna buy or sell doesn't really make sense, because unless you're trading a ranging market, obviously I would be trying to sell it right here, knowing that I'm gonna go out maybe somewhere here. You know, if I was trading like a ranging market or like, you know, quick scalp, I don't know, something like this. But since I don't trade this way, I'm not really gonna really focus on it. Okay, so I see this one here, it got down to where I wanted it to get. Obviously I didn't execute. I was like, I want to see what it's gonna do. You can see even on this, I never executed anything. You can see luckily, because I was like, I wanted to see, because I had a feeling it will do this, so I really wanted to see. But I'm not gonna sleep on it because there could be a chance of it rejecting, so I want to see that, right? But and you can see this gap that it done here. So let's just see. This is what I was saying. I mentioned that it could come take out these lows. Yeah, I think I need to start preparing for an entry. Yeah, you see now we had that close. I think now we're gonna start pushing upwards. Yeah, now we're gonna push upwards. Okay, I didn't execute it as of yet because I just wanna see where I'm gonna be able to find it. Okay, right here. Okay, let me wait for it. Okay, then wait for candle to close. The side here, said I should use what size? Candle close, 7, was it 7? I really wanted to enter it, bro. was 7, yes, it was 7. So I can still go in with 7. Let's see. Let's see. Let me wait for it to retrace a bit, just a bit. Because it already moved a bit too far, bro. I can't enter it right now. And this is what I wanted. I could have took it literally here. Where's this thing? It's going. Okay, but it's okay. What I will do is I'll wait for it to break above it, come back to retest. Okay, so let's see what I'm looking for now. What is it? Just 30. See. What I will do is I'm gonna wait for it to hopefully break above here. Hopefully. Come back, retest these areas. And then I'll take a buy. I think we'll get the 3 tests that I'm waiting for. Let's see. This was going to be a poor entry. See, I had fear of missing out. I was going to take a poor entry. Imagine I was going to enter here just because I didn't want to miss out. So let me just be patient for it. If it doesn't come there, it's okay. Oh, you see gold, I think now you could see that push. Let me see what the dollar index is doing. Oh yes, remember this push up buy? Gold, you could see it's starting to sell off now. Yeah, those sells are gonna be coming. I don't know if it's gonna want to give me an entry because I can only sell it at the top. I'm not gonna sell it here where it is. I can only sell it here. I'm gonna wait for it to see if it's gonna give me an entry type of a thing. Yo, what's going on? Today I think I might have to stay away from the markets, bro. Why is it skipping so many times? Look at this, it gapped, bro. It gapped like 2 times so far on the one. Okay. USDT, I'm not too sure if it's gonna activate me. Let me see gold, maybe I can get it. I can see we broke out here. Maybe I can get an opportunity on gold. Okay, gold, I can see it created these lows, now it's breaking them, so it's showing that it is going down, but I'd still like to sell it here. Nasdaq, we're still going down there, those areas we spoke about. USDT, let's just see. Didn't activate me. Okay, only now. Okay, let me just see. Remember, this one here is a very risky trade, bro. Gold, I'm gonna be looking for a sell here, so I went small risk on USDT because I'm not really trusting it. I won't lie, bro. It's been a while since actually, caught nice ones, but I believe in USDT, but gold, it would have been nice if price had broken below. Let's see, yeah, this break below here, it's solid, so I would like to see price going back upwards, right? Let's see, USDT candle close. I'm looking at it this side here. Not nice. I really wanted to see a rejection candle. I don't want it to go down. Just managing it proper. I'm not doing any adding positions, going crazy. No. Managing it proper. If it goes against, if it breaks below, I'll take the negative as is. It's okay. It's gonna be one of my negatives in, I don't even know, bro. Lost count. But this shows as well that it's good to follow your plan, because remember when it was going up, when it was here, and I was like, bro, I wanna enter. I felt like I was missing out. Like I felt like it was gonna shoot up without me. That's why I really wanted to enter. So imagine if I entered there, I would be running at loss right now, type of a thing. You understand? Let's go, team. I'm looking at it like a hawk. Hopefully we don't break these lows. Like if I entered here, I would probably be now like sad. So at least now my stop loss can be below here. Right now maybe I would even be out. Okay, let's see. It's testing these lows. Okay, it's literally at the lows. Let's see. It wants to go crazy. It wants to go crazy. I think I want to find a way where I can just lock in, like try to lock in, bro. Like in terms of once it moves up a bit, try to lock in with it, because I don't like where it is. You see it's breaking those lows. Yes, man. It's breaking those lows. It still didn't take me out. I'm still looking at it. Let's see the side here. Hopefully where I put my account. Yeah, you see it's still running, still looking at it. Oh, it's not going so well. Let's see. Nah, but it's a break, bro. It's a break. It's not, I'm not happy with this one. Yeah, it didn't go too well. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna take it out now. Yeah, it took me out. Okay, it just took me out. Let me see. Oh, our account should be closed. This account should be closed too. Okay. Let me see. Did we close the side here? Okay, this side we didn't close. On other accounts it closed, so I don't know, maybe I should close it manually since it's, yeah, let me just close it manually. Let me just take the loss manually. Yeah, okay, I just exited here. It didn't close on this side here, but on the other account it had already closed. So like the stop loss was supposed to be at 250, somewhere there, 2 something, but I just closed it manually at 150, which is better, because right now it's going to be losing more than, you know, that you see. I don't know, but now it looks like it's going to be coming back. Let's see. Yeah, I felt it. USDT, I felt it, bro. I felt it. It could still shoot up, but I'm not gonna like try to take it now. It's gonna be, you know, messy. I still have more opportunity. You know, gold, there's still Nasdaq too, because we're reaching those areas that I was looking at. You see Nasdaq, we're reaching those areas there, so yeah, still have to go in on it. Let's see, gold is going crazy, bro. This saw is crazy. Gold, I don't know. Is it gonna come up? I'm trying to see if I was going to be able to catch gold. Okay, Nasdaq, we are getting there. We're not there yet. We are getting there. So let's push. Gold, I'm glad that we broke below these lows here. So if price is going to go up, this is good indication for a sell. Sorry. If price is going to push up, then that would be a very nice thing because I can catch it here and then go down with it. Now this one here, it's still going to go slightly down. So this is just a panic buy. So you see this one here, gladly I just went out because sometimes, you know, imagine I was like, no, it's going to go back up. And then I try to still take it. Look at this that happened afterwards, you see. So I just took a guess, so I even took that loss, like literally there, I even closed it early. In fact, I didn't wait for it to hit my stop loss. I just closed it. You guys, so you need to be able to cut your losses too quick. Because otherwise then, like yesterday when I had a trade, it ran up like $700 one trade. But you saw the loss that I took, $150. So just do the risk to reward on it. Yeah, you see now we have this big nice break, so I wanted to come back up. This one here, not that much. This here, and I feel like here I understand what could have been, because before I took this buy, I just felt like I'm gonna miss out. But before I took this buy, right here, I said this has to break above, but it did not break above, and I still took this buy. So that's where my mistake may have went. If it broken above, the buy would have been more solid. But the fact that it didn't break above, it shows that it's not too strong. But I still went because I just wanted it to go. You understand? So that's a mistake that I made. But I got punished for it. You know. Let's go, team. Let's go. We live doing this, team. If you're enjoying the session, you're learning from it, bro. You can see how we're managing. You can see the ins and outs, you know, the mind going back and forth and everything. So obviously, guys, make sure that you do tap in via subscribing to the channel. And yeah, man, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So gold, hopefully we are going to see all of this in the session right now. Let me come back to it. Nasdaq. You nearly ruined my P&L. No US30. Hopefully gold, you bring us back, bro. Bring us back for the day, bro. Just gonna be on the safe side so it doesn't do a spike out. Okay. Let me just wait for it. Okay, let's go, team. Let's go. Yo, bro. Ezekiel, I see you asking, are we selling gold now? Gold is selling. You can see we're waiting. We're looking for a sell. Your gold is just melting, bro. Ish. You see Nasdaq here when I was like, that's a panic buy. It's getting at that buy area, but I'm gonna wait for it to get you, and then maybe on the 1 minute give me some confirmations, because I still wanna take gold. So if I'm gonna take a trade on Nasdaq, I have to really wait for it, like reduce risk, do all those things. I'm glad that this one here didn't really hit like my full stop loss. It just took out like that small risk that I had, which gives me more room to, you know, play around on these other ones, Nasdaq and gold, right? Because at the end we want room, bro. We want room. Nasdaq, we are still gonna come slightly down. I know there's probably people that are looking for a buy somewhere here. But for me, I wanted to come down. And I don't know, maybe if I never took the USDT trade, I was just gonna, you know, to simplify things, just put a buy limit, you know, and then like, because I know it's gonna like maybe activate and then go up type thing, you know. That's only if I never took the USDT trade. But because I took it and I'm already down for the day, I'm not gonna just, but you see that gap that we spoke about, it closed. Sorry. You see this one here, we spoke about this gap. We came to close it now. So actually where it is, it might cheat up, but remember I said that for me it's much more comfortable here. So once we get there, I'm gonna wait for 1 minute to close. And then once 1 minute closes, we'll see what happens. Let's go, team. Let's go, let's see. Yo, the market is not. On my side, I can't really see those ads or anything, so I don't really know, right? You see Nasdaq is still doing that. We're still gonna see a push down. See the people that were buying already, when it goes down, they wanna buy more and buy more and buy more. And yes, they might be right, but like it's not really. It's nice when you have a big account, like not even big account, bro. I don't even know when it's nice. Like not trading without discipline is not nice. It's nice when you're looking into blowing your account, yes. We're tapping in, we're tapping in, we're tapping in, we're tapping in. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's see. You see now we're about to tap in, but I'm not gonna take it now like I did say. I'm gonna just wait for it to play around here first, just to see as well. I might miss out on it. Obviously, there's the risk, but like I did say, I'd rather be on the safe side. So I'm not gonna really take it as soon as it taps in. I want to open up room for it. Just tapped in now. So let me just see what it's gonna do. You see? Let's see, now we're in at the 5 minute. You can see we're in. I didn't take it, obviously. I mean, we're in terms of we're in this area. I don't want someone to be thinking that I'm in. No, we're in this area. So let me just see what's gonna happen. Okay, let me wait for it to build some sort of a push-up. Okay, there we can see a push-up. Okay. So you already had that push-up. Cold sold, yeah. Remember this buy that I spoke of? Imagine I saw it. I don't know why I never, like I was so focused on US 30, but I don't know, it distracted me. Because this buy I saw it, but I don't know why I never thought of the gold sell at that time. My mind was all over the place. So I don't think this sell is going to happen now on this session. The one thing could be Nasdaq, but I'm still waiting on Nasdaq. I'm trying to see it. But now I'm not happy with myself because of, I saw a beautiful buy on the dollar index. I could have like executed it, which could have been a sell on gold, but I didn't, Why, I don't know. But I was focused on Nasdaq. I mean on US 30, truly speaking. You see, buyers are not too strong. We are at a strong area, but buyers are not too strong. Let's see what it's going to do. Let's see if I should take it. What limit is going to need? Well, I think it's 1, right? 1. Yeah, 1. Okay. Still going down on Nasdaq, you see. So luckily I didn't take it. Yeah, we broke the lows. Luckily I didn't take it, bro. If I did, obviously I would have been angry with myself right now. Imagine two negatives. So yeah, man. We took out these lows here. We would still see. Let's see. Because remember, the reason I felt this way. Remember, on 1 hour I still saw a sell price could come here. So this was just how we got there. I saw that, no, man, I'm not too confident. We might go back up. Obviously, we might go up right now. Let's see. We might go up. I was waiting for a candle close up. Let's see. Then maybe we might take a nice buy. Let me see, our candle might close right. Mm. 5-minute candle. Let's see. I'm busy thinking now, should I enter, shouldn't I? I think I want to go in right now. Just went in. I think entering here, I don't have to put stop loss too far, truly speaking. If it goes down, obviously, I can put it just below, bro. If it goes down, it means that this thing is not working out. Like, why would I have to put it far? See, right here, just below. Yeah, right. Because, truly speaking, bro, if it doesn't go up from here, I don't want it to, play around and do all that. So my stop loss is legit gonna be at a minimum. Just, Wait, but this one here, the entry on it is late. It's here. I only see it now. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to be here so I can close it manually. What is it? It's by. Let's see. Not too sure, bro. That would be gold and USDT just doing its thing, right? I mean, not gold, the Sonia in USDT. But the entry on it, 1 minute, I won't lie, it's there's no other way I could have entered it. Like, this is clean, it's perfect like this. I don't know what we're gonna do with this one here, bro. Are we gonna push up? Are we gonna push down? It doesn't wanna push down. I mean, it doesn't wanna push up. So, not too sure. If it closes below, I'm gonna go out. If it closes below, I'm going out. Yeah, wait, not yet. Okay, not yet. Let's see, bro. Still playing at that area. Okay, if we break below at the area, what minute? 5 minutes. 1 minute. If it takes this, you see this candle that's below, if I take it out, because that's where I have my stop loss on this side. No, I'm out. Out. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, bro. Okay, I think today. Let's see gold, bro. Okay, today two threes I took and two didn't go well, bro. Okay, I'm glad with how I'm managing risk. Truly speaking, I'm managing it so well. Like you saw, I just took like $100, and let's see. I don't know. It shows so far for the day. You see, one trade normally would give me should give me like $300 in a loss. But the way that I'm trading now, I just reduced, bro, because I just took a payout as well. So, like, I'm just managing proper. That's all. Ooh, Okay, so this is good. So I'm glad that, because if I took it, imagine if I bought here and then trade went against me, then I feel like, no, this is where it's ready, and then I take another trade, then it still goes against me. You see, so luckily I waited for that high quality trade whereby it allowed me to have a very small stop loss. My stop loss was literally here, bro. This is 1 minute here. If it went up, I was gonna be clean, bro. But now it just went down, so it's okay. Gold is not really progressing that much. I don't think it's gonna get down this session, bro. But yeah, bro, I need to calm down. Yo, bro. But I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Oh, let's go. Yeah, bro, let's just keep the chin up, bro. Since last week, we've been winning every day. 2 wins every single session for over like maybe 2 weeks, whatever. So obviously, you know, days like this have to be expected, obviously, right? If I don't expect days like this, then I'm trying to be unfair, you know. If I just want to win each and every single session, it doesn't make sense. So I just have to chin up, make sure that, obviously, like I did show you guys, my losses, very, very small, wins, huge. One win yesterday we caught gave us $800, but you guys are seeing the losses properly managed. So yeah, man, at least I'm going through that, because you go through a winning streak and then you go through a losing streak. At least I'm going through that streak, so that, because I was also thinking to myself, because I wanted to buy more prop firm challenges, especially after I got this payout today. I wanted to buy more, but I was like, it's not good buying a challenge right now. That's why most people would blow their accounts, because of right now is where I'm coming from, a winning streak and everything. If I buy challenges, normally, obviously, you know, I can still have that ego or whatever that's around me that's gonna make me make mistakes, which means if I know that I'm today I bought a new challenge and then I'm trading it, and then because I'm taking, I don't want to, then now I make mistakes, you know. So that's why I was like, let me just finish up this week, and in fact, let me just try to get as many payouts as I can from this account that I'm trading. And once I'm done with that, once I've got as many as I could, then that's when I would be able to maybe buy more challenge accounts now. Because now I still have more accounts as well to say that I'm managing. So if I have more, it's gonna be hard of me to manage with or trade and stuff. Right? Yeah, it wouldn't be called trading. That's true. That's true. It wouldn't be called trading, bro. It wouldn't. Gold, we're moving slowly down. I still see it coming down, truly speaking. Gold, I still see it coming down too. Yeah, we might not come here. We might just respect this area and then spike downwards. But for me, I wouldn't really take, like for today, let's say, for instance, I wouldn't really sell it, yeah. We might just see price respecting, yeah, and then going down to somewhere, yeah. So I'm not really gonna take it this one here. Anyways, if I was targeting 1:2, it would still be perfect. Somewhere here, it'd still be perfect. But the reason I wouldn't take it is that if it goes against me, like it hits my stop loss, I would know. And if it does this, I'd feel bad because I knew that I wanted to sell it, yeah. You know. So now, I knew this sell was more high quality than this sell. So if I take a stop loss here, am I gonna want to take another stop loss again? You understand what I'm saying? And no, personally, no, I wouldn't. So what are the cons of this? If it does go down, I might miss out, obviously. Okay, but the risk, this, it's part of it. It also, the pros of this is it boosts my confidence. You understand? So let's just see what it does. But I'm not gonna take this one, yeah. Let's go team, let's go team. Guys, if you just new on the, live, you just caught us now. Obviously, you just caught us today. Maybe let's just say, for instance, you're paging through on the internet and you just came across us. This is what we do every single day, right? We can see how we manage trades, how we take trades, how we take wins, how we take losses. Obviously, every single day comes with wins and as well losses. There's days whereby I can still take wins and still not be happy because of I didn't do certain things right. There's days whereby I take wins and I get excited, just like yesterday. I was so happy. There's days whereby I take losses and I don't feel anything. There's days whereby I take losses and I feel pain, Maybe when I feel pain is because of I made stupid mistakes. But when I feel nothing, when I'm happy, like today I'm happy with the loss because I feel like I took it perfectly. Like if I was risking, this account here is a 100K account. First of all, you see this one here is a 100K. You see here. So if I was risking not even 1%, let's just say half a percentage, that's $500. 2 trades negative, that's how much? $500,000. But me, I only lost $200, bro. $270. Imagine. And this thing has been, it's not gonna show all the other trades. I don't know what I have to do in order to fill it up. But we ran, bro. We ran it up. We ran it up. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I think that's me, because remember, when it comes to trading, it's not about obviously being profitable, catching every trade and making. Someone can trade trades, can catch good trades every single day, but end of the week they still have nothing. You understand? Just because of that Friday they wiped out, But someone can still manage a risk as much as it's slow growth, but it's discipline, bro. It's like, it's good, bro. It's good. It's like if I go to the gym and daily I'm putting in the work, even if it's just 1 hour, bro, it's not too much putting in the work and I'm slowly coming up. Someone else's, you take drugs, steroids just to look like this. If we really look at who's fit, if we really have to throw, like, let's say run, sprint, fight, whatever, I'm gonna beat you, bro, because I've done the work, right? I'm more stronger than you, not even because of I'm stronger, but just because of the fact that I done more work, So it's the same thing. So you see here with this one here, as well at the bottom here, because I see it's now coming here, it might as well respect this area that it just touched in. That's why I'm not really gonna take this sell, because it might respect this and then buy. Let me see what the dollar is. It might respect, it might do something more like this, right? And then go maybe back up to there and then go back down. So that's why it's not really. And looking at it, there is a left shoulder here. There's a right shoulder right here. And now we're forming, a head, and now we're forming a right shoulder here. But also, I'm seeing it in an inverse form, like here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So it might also still go down. So yeah, I think sometimes it helps waiting for setups, because if I'm just gonna take, it's gonna be tough, bro. It's gonna be tough. But if you can just take it easy, it will work. Let's go, bro. We win some, we lose some. You've got that right, Shadrach. You've got that right, bro. I like that energy. Let's go. So you see, luckily, just called it quits, because even if initially I could have had my stop loss here. Remember when I was entering it, my stop loss, I could have had it somewhere here. It was still gonna hit me, bro. Doesn't matter. Like some people, I see them wanting to rob it, and bro, even if, like, let's say you entered there and then you still have your stop, it can still go down, And what that does that you don't see is it messes up the risk to reward, because look at it, the risk to reward now is 1:2. It becomes here, and it can still go down compared to how I had it. Look at 1:2. 1:2 is here, which means when I'm here, I make the 2. But if you have stop loss here and you have take profit here, for you to make the same amount of profit, you have to run it hold it for longer. Like it has to come here, but me only here, and it can still hit your stop loss. You know. Let's go, bro. Let's go, team. We're doing this. This is all happening in live, team. You can see wins, losses, everything you can think of. We're catching them live, bro. We're catching them live. Obviously, if you find them value, team, subscribe to the chat, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to Kick, subscribe, like this video, team. We are on the journey to hitting 300,000 subscribers. We left with literally less than 700 people. And yeah, man, we there. So with your help, obviously, we are gonna get there. Let's go, team. I'm thinking, but yeah, I don't think I could have saw a sell anyhow, because I don't trade a breakout. Only time I could have saw a sell is if it price came up here. Nasdaq, maybe I could have seen a sell. Okay, but I realized that I couldn't have seen it because when it was still here, I remember I spoke about how it's gonna go down, but now that I think of it, I couldn't see a sell. I was not going to find entry because if I saw a sell, I was probably going to have my entry be somewhere here. And it was not going to activate me, you can see. Gold. Okay, gold now that we broke below here, I think this now is a strong one. We might see it just slightly. Because remember, see this big bullish candle, we still bullish, but we might on like 4 hour just have that candle that comes here, and then after this fill, then we see it now going up. In fact, this is the 4 hour, so we might just see it come close, go back up, and then next candle up, next candle break above, next candle we'll see. If not, then we're going down. Let's go. Okay, gold, you can see this nice big break to the top. Yeah, I think gold is just progressing downwards. See, gold is breaking the lows there. Gold is just now is rejecting. I don't know. Do you think maybe it might push up before it goes down here? Slightly push. Let me see tomorrow if we have any news. Yeah, we have ESD by 8 p.m. FOMC. It's not nice gold because even if I was selling, the way it's moving, I'll just be out because you see, because it keeps on doing this buy traps. See here, it was doing a buy trap with this candle. Even here, it does a buy trap. People keep on buying it, right? Like they're like, no, it has to go back up. Buy, stop loss, out. Here you buy it again. Maybe you have a stop loss below. You know, it can still go down. That's what I don't like about it. Out. Does that buy trap. Find out that it does this up until it gets here. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Are you guys in any trades right now as we speak? What trades did you guys take for the day? Just want to see what the team is doing. What trades did the team catch? I remember there were some members that were selling gold. Others, I think they sold US30. Did you guys win? You see, gold is now doing that push-up. Hope I did of Tomahabe. Nice one, nice one. I like that positivity. Yeah, man, we just gotta remain positive. You know how the market is, bro. Each day is a brand new day. We could either make the most, or we could still, experience some downsides. But the most important thing is, what do we do afterwards? When you take a loss, are you gonna come back and then be angry, fight with everything, fight with everyone, all those things, what people do when they're angry? Are you gonna do that, or are you gonna take your L nice and then come back up? Because there's two ways to it. There's no in between, right? It's either you take your loss and then you understand, or you get angry and you blame. You find something to blame or someone to blame. Yeah? I mean, it's easy. It's easy to blame someone. Like it's easy for me to just say, Tabang, no, it's your fault, bro. The fact that you are, and then I just find the reason there. Doing something here and here. That's why, and then I can believe it and be right. In terms of me believing it, it's gonna make me happy because I'll feel like, yeah, I'm onto something. But the honest truth is, I know that, I'm losing. When you're losing, like that you're not doing the right choices. That things, but you're kidding to yourself. And some people you might get away, but to yourself, if you're lying, bro, like no matter what, even if you get away to other people, you won't get away to yourself. So it might tap in there and then go a bit more. Let's just see. But I don't think because of the volume now, it's not really moving too much. It might move. I'm not saying that it's not gonna move and all. It might move, but the volume today, truly speaking, for me, it's not really my day. I can already see with the losses that I took. It's not my day because even with losses, normally they don't do like this. Sometimes they just go straight to loss on the spot. 1 minute, 2 minutes. So these ones here, they play. I feel like even if I catch a good trade today, it's still not gonna give me ultimate full profits. It might just play around, and then I end up going out with break even or something. Yeah, man. Let's just give you 7 more minutes on the stream, and then if nothing much has happened, if we don't see any volume, we'll call it a session, team, right? We'll call it a session. Let's give it like 6 more minutes just to see where he's gonna end up. Yeah, no real movements for the day, team. No real movements for the day. You guys are witnessing this. Obviously, there are gonna be those people that are gonna force, try to see the market give them stuff, and all that and stuff. But that's why, when you take a loss, like let's say for instance, there's 2 types of trades. Like right now with me, I took 2 trades for the day, 2 negatives. It's okay. But let's just say I'm not happy and I feel like I'm not supposed to lose, and I feel like I lost too much. I want to bring back the money. Let's just say, oh no, I lost $200. I want to bring it back. And then I go back and forth right now. I'm like, okay, I see bearish candle. It's going to sell. Because that's what you're going to do. You're going to start scalping the markets, right? Or it's going to sell. Let's see. Hopefully. Then, I'm going to, if it goes down, it's going to break here. And then maybe it does this a bit. In fact, it does this. Then it hits you again. More loss. More loss. But if it goes down a bit, let's say it goes down, and then now it gets here, okay, no, but it's still going down. It's gonna obviously break the lows and give me more profits because I lost more, so I have to make back the money. Then you're out. And there's just so many things, man. Like when you take a loss and you still wanna trade and you still wanna come back, so much can happen, bro. I've been trading for many years, I know. So rather just stay away, bro. It's okay to come back and still see the trade went in your direction and feel like, oh no, I missed out, I could have ate. But that's okay compared to, just making silly mistakes, right? Remember, the goal is to avoid making those silly mistakes. So, yeah, man. Let's go. We have to just be positive, keep our chin up. And yeah, man, I'm excited for today's day. It was a phenomenal day, team. It was a phenomenal day. Let's just keep our head high and be able to just push through, bro. No matter what, we should just be able to push through. and hopefully let's meet up again. We stay over 2 hours now, but let's meet up again same place, same time, and with that being said, all on top of that, it will just be, coming in strong. No matter what, the previous days we came from profits, but we still maintained, that humbleness in terms of just being able to show up normal day in. So even tomorrow, we're going to be coming from a negative, which means that we still have to maintain it. Don't have to change anything. I don't have to say, oh, yesterday I took a loss, let me increase my lot size and all that. No, she just maintain it. So yeah, man, team, I'm glad that you guys pulled through on today's session. And yeah, man, I'm excited, man. I am excited. Let me just document this down. I was actually shooting a video. You guys are gonna love it so much. It's like a vlog, day in life. Okay, not day in life. It's not a day in life, but it's different. You'll see it. But it's gonna go public on the internet. What's going on? Let's go. Let's go, guys. You can simply see we're now live on the internet. Two trades for the day was not really too good. Managed the risk properly though. We had Nasdaq here. You can see it went a bit more low. Cottage here with a nice beautiful buy. Had a small stop loss. It went below and it's still railing down. No momentum, no volume for the day. So obviously it's okay, I understand. But you can see even here as well, caught another trade on US30. We started pushing slightly downwards. And yeah, this one here just went straight to negatives. But fortunately as well with it, I was able to manage it proper. But at the same time, it still went down to the negative. So you can see how it's moving now. Gold, we were looking at gold, but now it's not really moving too much, which means that for the day, just 2 trades, 2 negatives, and yeah, man, we can call it a session just like that. Team, let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. We have to document everything down, bro. Keep everything down, and yeah, man, I'm glad to everyone that pulled up on the session, team. Thank you guys so much for pulling through. Let's connect tomorrow, same place, same time. And yeah, man, let's do this big tomorrow. Cheers.